Earth's only natural satellite? A. Sun. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Moon. A or C? Both are wrong. What is Earth's only natural satellite? A. Sun. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Moon. Okay, the correct answer is letter D. What part of the body helps you move? What parts of the body helps you move? A. Eyes. B. Lungs. C. Pancreas. D. Muscles. No coaching. Okay, una ang girls. Letter D. The two holes of the nose are called A. Eyelids. B. Nostrils. C. Nails. D. Hair. Okay, the correct answer is the girls. Letter B. Nostrils. What star shines in the day and provides light? What star shines in the day and provides light? A. Moon. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Sun. What star shines in the day? Letter, okay. Ang una is ang girls. Okay. Which organ covers the entire body and protects it? Which organ covers the entire body and protects it? A. B. Heart. C. Skin. D. Brain. Okay. The correct answer is the boys.
Yes.
Letter C. Skin. Who invented the first functional telephone? Who invented the first functional telephone? A. Albert Einstein. B. Nikola Tesla. C. Thomas Edison. D. Alexander Graham Bell. A, B, C, D. Letter. The correct answer is letter D. Alexander Graham Bell. Next. Animals that suckle their young one are called. Animals that suckle their young one are called. A. Reptiles. B. Birds. C. Amphibians. D. Mammals. 5, 4. Okay, ang una is the girls. Letter D. Mammals.